Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mariviki, the biyahirang bisdak sa Norway. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. And to all my subscribers and supporters, a million thanks to you in supporting me in so many ways. In today's vlog guys, I'm gonna make a homemade prunes. Since we have a lot of plums, I'm gonna make a homemade prunes. Okay?
Here are the ingredients: lemon, honey, and plums. Slice the lemon. Get 1 tablespoon of honey and put it in a bowl and squeeze the lemon. And mix it thoroughly. Prepare a big bowl, then transfer the sliced plums to it. After transferring some sliced plums, add the mixture of lemon and honey to it. Repeat the procedure until all the sliced plums are transferred in the bowl. A prune is a dried plum. Not all plum species or varieties can be dried into prunes. A prune is a firm, flesh fruit of plum that belongs to Prunus domestica varieties and have a high soluble solids content, and thus not ferment during drying. Prunes are 64% carbohydrates, including dietary fiber, 2% protein, a rich source of vitamin K, and a moderate source of B vitamins and dietary minerals. The sorbitol contains of dietary fiber likely provides the laxative effect associated with consuming prunes. Health benefits of prunes. 1. Helps digestion. Prunes are high in fiber, which helps prevent hemorrhoids brought on by constipation. Chronic constipation is a common problem in older adults and can also be a painful problem for infants. 2. Controls the urge. An overactive bladder can be uncomfortable to deal with. By adding fiber to your diet can help. 3. High in potassium. Prunes are a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that assists in a variety of vital bodily functions. This mineral helps with digestion, heart rhythm, nerve impulses, and muscle contraction, as well as blood pressure. 4. High in vitamins. Prunes aren't just high in potassium. They also contain lots of key vitamins such as vitamin K, A, riboflavin, vitamin B6, and niacin. It has also high amounts of minerals such as magnesium, manganese, and copper. 5. Provides a good source of iron. Anemia occurs when the body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells, which iron helps to make. Shortness of breath, irritability, and fatigue are also signs of mild anemia. 6. Builds bones and muscles. Dried prunes are an important source of mineral boron, which can help build strong bones and muscles. It may also help with improving mental acuity and muscle coordination. Guys, after putting the mixture, marinate it up to 3 hours before putting it to the dehydrator tray. After a couple of hours of marination, you can now put it into the dehydrator tray. Guys, I'm going to continue my discussion about the health benefits of prunes. Number 7. Reduces cholesterol levels. Fat and cholesterol can collect in your arteries to form a substance called plaque. When the plaque builds up in your arteries, it can cause atherosclerosis, a narrowing of arteries. By the way guys, when you're done placing the plums into the trays, place all the trays to the fruit dehydrator machine and set it to 55 to 60 degrees temperature at about 20 to 24 hours. Let's continue. 8. Lowers blood pressure. Eating prunes and drinking prune juice can significantly reduce blood pressure. 9. Helps reduce appetite. Prunes can help you manage your weight. They do this by keeping you feeling full for longer because prunes contains a lot of fiber, which is slow to digest. Slower digestion means your appetite stays satisfied for longer. Prunes may have low glycemic index. This means they raise the glucose or sugar levels in your body slowly. This may in part be due to their high amounts of sorbitol, a sugar alcohol with a slow absorption rate. Guys, after 10 hours, you need to turn upside down the plums and put the bottom tray to the top place and arrange the trays accordingly. 20 hours thereafter, plums are become dried or it is now a prunes. Let's continue. Number 10. Benefits of prunes. Protect against emphysema. Prunes contain high levels of antioxidants which can fight the damage that smoking causes by neutralizing oxidation. 11. Lowers risk of colon cancer. Colon cancer is often hard to detect, but it can be aggressive. Diet can help prevent colon cancer, and research has shown that adding dried plums to your diet may reduce your risk.
So guys, this is the finished product after 20 hours of dehydrating using food dehydrator. So this is the homemade prunes. Okay, I'll taste it. Very palatable. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again next week. Bye!